Bonjour à tous! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lou. Today's video will be a little different. I will be bringing you on a throwback adventure to Paris, one of my favorite places in the world. I went there a couple of years ago and it was absolutely amazing. I miss it so much. I know we're all stuck at home right now, so I thought this vlog would be a nice change of scenery for you and I. Hopefully this virus will be over soon so we can all travel again. I will be narrating this entire vlog because at the time of filming the mic was not so good, so the sound was really bad. I hope you guys don't mind and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more vlogs like this, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. After putting down our luggage, we freshened up, had some bomb breakfast, and headed out to Arc de Triomphe. This is one of the most famous monuments in Paris, and it was built in honor of those who fought and died in the French Revolution and Napoleonic Wars. Oh my god, it's such an unbelievable monument. I remember when I first saw it after walking out of the train station. Such a beautiful structure. The sculptures on the Arc de Triomphe were so intricate, I just don't know how to put it into words. It just looks unreal. It is placed on one end of Champs-Élysées, that's like one of the most popular shopping destinations, and they have all the fancy shops. I love it there so much. After the Arc de Triomphe, we headed on over to one of the most iconic structures in all of France. That is the Eiffel Tower. This place was so breathtaking. I remember when I first saw it, I just wanted to cry. The view was so amazing from the Trocadero Square and everyone was taking pictures. So we made our way down towards the Eiffel Tower. We went past the gardens and we went past the fountains. It was so nice. We were thinking if we want to go up the Eiffel Tower, but then we decided not to because there was such a long queue. And anyways, when you're up there, you can't see the Eiffel Tower, so what's the point, right? So we kind of just found a spot and then we had a picnic there. We bought some French baguette, French cheese and ham, and it was one of the most amazing picnics. The next day we took the subway and headed to a Catholic church called Sacré-Cœur. It is a very popular Catholic church. To get to Sacré-Cœur, we got off a train station called Anvers, and can we just stop and appreciate how pretty this Art Nouveau design subway entrance is? It has so much character. And there it is, Sacré-Cœur in all its glory. I think you can take a tram to go up, but we didn't know where it is, and it was such a nice sunny day, so we thought we would just walk all the way up. It wasn't such a long walk though, it took maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And we finally made it to the top. Check out this view, totally worth it. This church is one of the most beautiful churches I've been to. It was also really big. And even though it's a historical monument, it's also an active church. So all visitors would have to be really quiet inside because other people are praying. But something really funny happened, everyone was so quiet and everyone was whispering. And suddenly this guy, he just sneezed so hard and his sneeze echoed throughout the church. I thought that was really funny. Anyways, I love every detail in this church. The pipe organ, the art on the ceilings, so good. And the stained windows. I love stained windows. They're so pretty when the sunlight comes through. Ooh, we also came across these souvenir medallion machines and decided to get one. My husband used to collect them as a kid, so we thought we would continue that tradition. These coins are pretty popular and you can find them at most landmarks and monuments, and you can buy one as a souvenir of that place. From Sacré-Cœur, we took a subway to a place called Place de la Bastille, and there stands the July column. We were walking around and I saw Sephora, and obviously I had to go check it out. I didn't end up buying anything though. Phew! But I did end up buying some stuff in the Sephora store in Champs-Élysées, so it's okay if I didn't buy anything this time around. We also went to a Lush store and the store smelled divine. I ended up buying some masks, bath bombs, and a lip scrub because my lips were quite chappy. We were walking further down the road and suddenly there was a really strong chocolatey smell, but there was no chocolate stores around. So we followed the smell and found this hidden gem. It was like a really bougie chocolate place. We tried some samples and oh my god, so darn good. We felt like we were in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Definitely come here if you like to bring home some fancy chocolates. What I love about this place is that they have a beautiful chocolate shop and the chocolates are made right here. We weren't allowed to film the process and machines, but you can see exactly how it's made. We spent half an hour watching the production of the chocolates and talking to the super friendly staff. Oh my god, I remember this place. This ice cream place is called Amorino. The ice creams were really delicious and they made it into like a flower. It was a little pricey though, but it's okay. It was so good. I think I chose raspberry, citrus, and blueberry. On day 3, we went to Musée d'Orsay. You could purchase tickets online, but we went pretty early, so the line wasn't long at all. This museum was really interesting. As you enter, you see many of these stone sculptures, and they were really impressive. Oh, this is a cross-section of a mini replica of the Opera House, Opera Garnier. I thought this was really cool. The details were so intricate and realistic, super cool. Later on, we actually went to Opera House, which I will show you in part 3 of this vlog, so stay tuned! There is so much art in this museum. Of course, we have the infamous Van Gogh, Monet, and also Kandinsky. I don't know much about art, but I think this was one of my favorite pieces in the museum. It's so fun and psychedelic. I could totally imagine having a piece like this in my house. It is totally my aesthetic. We spent a couple of hours in Musée d'Orsay. After that, we walked to Musée des Arts Décoratifs. On the way there, we came across this beautiful, beautiful garden, and this is what I love about Paris. It's so nice to walk through the city. It's full of pretty gardens and cute little cafes, and everything looks like a postcard. It's so, so nice. And we made it to the next museum. This was an interesting one. There were displays of furniture, interior design, paintings, wallpaper, and glassware from the Middle Ages to present day. As you enter the museum, you start with an exhibition of items from medieval times. And as you go around, you see how art has evolved over the centuries in France, the birth of Art Nouveau and Art Deco. It was really interesting to see the change in times. And this is all for part 1 of my Paris vlog. If you'd like to see the next part, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every Sunday, so please click on the bell button for notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. A bientôt!